Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. Today we are in the Smoky Mountains in North Carolina in Cherokee, and we're going to be checking out Harrah's. This video today is going to be about the resort and the room tour. We are parking in the parking garage, but they also offer valet parking at the resort and casino as well. I am traveling today with my husband, Kelly. This video is going to be about our 2-night stay. It is early January 2024. You could use kiosks to check in, but they weren't working, so we had to go to the desk. I personally have the Caesars Rewards card, and they offered me during the week some comp stays, so we were driving to Florida, so we're like, hey, this is great. I don't know this hotel. There are 4 towers. I didn't know what to ask for, so I just sort of, let them, assign me what they assigned me, and they assigned me in the Creekside Tower. But during my stay, I did research the other towers, and I will be sharing with you what the differences are. But right now, let's go check out our room. This is just a regular room, but it was very oversized. Nice extra touches like a microwave, a coffee maker, and a small refrigerator. You're gonna find throughout this video that this room in particular is not perfect. The doors to the refrigerator wouldn't even close, but there was a refrigerator. The couch wasn't very comfortable, but there was a couch. If I had to pick my favorite part of this room, I'd have to say it was the bed. I had the best night's sleep, 2 nights. Did not want to get out of this bed. Loved it. We actually both really liked the room. It was very oversized, very spacious. Just had its things. It just shows where, but it was clean. Had a huge closet and a safe. My intentions here aren't to bash or praise Harrah's Cherokee, this room in particular. I'm just showing you my experience so you can make a better decision about what tower you would want to stay in. Really not sure what was up with that chair. I tried cleaning it, but it wouldn't clean, so I don't know. It was like a stain. Our view, well, really wasn't the best view. I was hoping for a really beautiful view, but you know what? It really wasn't a deal breaker for me. Okay, now let's go check out the bathroom. Was this room bad? No, it just really needs a remodel. And I know something like needing a remodel would really aggravate a lot of people. That's why I make these videos. When planning your trip, if you want something remodeled, the Mountainside Tower is remodeled. And the Cherokee Tower is the newest. So those rooms would probably be in better condition. But this room was clean. It was very large and very comfortable. We really liked it. The towels here and pretty much at all Caesars properties are very nice. They're oversized and not flimsy and scratchy. The sink, well, had a crack in it, not a deal breaker for me. Had a lot of storage and place to put your things, and it had a lot of outlets. Wasn't high tech for charging your phone, but it did have modernized housekeeping and lighting. Green light means you want service, red light means privacy. And these beds and these pillows were heavenly. Best night's sleep. Loved it. I'm traveling today with my husband, Kelly. I'm like, Kelly, it's time to go out. Let's go explore. He's like, hell no. First thing I want to do is figure out where all these towers are for my own personal nosiness and also just share with you so that other people can figure out where they want to stay when they come here. First thing I figured out, Creekside, where we're staying, Mountainside, which is refurbished, and Soco are all connected. They are all clustered together on one end of the casino resort. Here is a look at the outside from a higher floor. It's very flat. You will have to travel to a higher elevation to get here though. If you look down, you can see the outdoor pool. We're gonna go check out the pools right now. You needed a room key to access this area. This is where you're gonna find the indoor pool and access to the outdoor pool, which is seasonal. Also to come in this video, I'm going to be showing you places that you could dine within the resort. I have another video that I just published of my stay, which is about the casino and the restaurants over there. This place is monstrous. It is huge, and this indoor pool is no exception. It is awesome. Also down here in this area is the fitness center. It was very busy when I was down there, and I'm like, oh, I'll come back and film it when it's less busy. And I never made it back. But trust me, it's really, really big, really nice fitness center. Have you stayed at Harrah's Cherokee before? What tower do you like to stay in when you come here? I wasn't able to get outside to see the pool, but I'm filming through a window. Must be really nice here in the summer with the cabanas. Here's a list of the pool rules. They have a bar restaurant there during the summer months. We were there, it was about a week after New Year's. It was a nice time to go there. Like it was, there was people there, but it wasn't too crowded, but yet it was still decorated for Christmas. I don't know. I thought it was a really nice time to go. If you're just finding my channel, welcome. My name is Jennifer Sparks, and this is what I do. I travel all the time, so I decided to make a YouTube channel about my journeys to inspire other people to travel and learn how to, save money while they're doing it and find different places that they haven't gone, to find the right places that they need to see. Let's talk about the decor. This place is just so special. It has so many beautiful places to sit. The lighting is perfect. It's very comfortable. It's American Indian themed and done so tastefully. It reminds me so much of Foxwoods and Mohegan Sun in Connecticut, if you've ever been there. Beautiful casinos, especially Mohegan Sun. I just really love this place. I loved all the different seating. You could go grab a coffee, go chill somewhere else or other than your room. It feels more like an actual resort, not just a casino that has sleeping arrangements. There is a spa and a hair salon on site. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful for your upcoming trip, can you do me a favor and please like the video to help my algorithm? And to see more of my videos like this one, you could subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. I would really appreciate it. I believe we are currently in the Mountain Tower. I could be wrong though. It wasn't marked very well. But like I said earlier, everything is connected. So no matter where you are going to find your room. Let's go check out some of the dining options over here, and then I'm going to be taking you across the casino to the Cherokee Tower. This has got to be the prettiest Starbucks I've ever seen. Look at this place. It's gorgeous. It was very cold the day I was there, so I didn't go outside much, but it is on the creek, so it really has really nice views. Again, a lot of places that you could just chill and hang out. It's just very relaxed here. It's really nice. I go to a lot of casinos and I notice a lot of places don't have seating. They want you to be sitting at the slot machine. So when I find places like this that you could sit and chill by a fireplace, this is amazing. Another hidden treasure that I want to share is Selu Garden Cafe. I was just doing a walkthrough right now, but then I knew instantly that this is where I wanted to have breakfast. This is not part of the casino. This is part of the resort. You would have to go from the casino through an enclosed pedestrian walkway because you have to go over the creek to get to the resort. This restaurant was very beautiful and it was situated right on the creek and had beautiful views. It had a regular menu and it had a buffet option as well. The regular menu looked really good, but we were leaving this day, so we're like, hey, let's go for the buffet. Fill up really good because we have a long drive to Florida after this. Loved our seat. We had a big booth with a beautiful view. I believe it was $25. It was a good value. It came with coffee and juice. Had an omelet station, had all the bells and whistles. Country fried steak, biscuits, gravy, even had these fried apples, had all kinds of muffins and Danish. Over here, we're gonna have potatoes, oatmeal, bacon, sausage. Here you could get a fresh omelet with your choice of filling. They also had granola, yogurt, fresh fruit. I don't know. I thought it was really good and a good value. Don't forget to save room for the pastries. Next to the Selu Cafe, you're gonna find the Comedy Zone. And on your way in and out of the Selu Cafe, there's also the Sweet Stop, which you're gonna be able to find chocolates, fudge, candies. Now we're going to extend our tour a little further. We're going to go through the enclosed pedestrian bridge. We're going to head over to the casino and go check out the Cherokee Tower. The Cherokee Tower is the newest of the towers and sits alone. It is close to the casino, but is farther away from the other towers, the restaurants, and the theater. It has its own valet and its own parking. I did not stay here. I just did a walk around, but I could get an instant feeling that this place is going to be better for someone that really wants the best of the best. We're walking in from the casino. There is also another casino entrance very close to the hotel. There's also a bowling alley that is really close to this tower as well. While the other towers feel more like a lodge, they have the American Indian feel. I don't know, very warm. I loved it over there. This one I love too, but it feels more like a Hyatt, maybe like a JW Marriott. It feels very convention, but it does, I think it's gonna appeal more to like a traveler that really, just like I said, expects the best. The biggest difference of all is obviously the location. I did not see an indoor pool over here, but they have an outdoor infinity pool. This pool is called the Terrace Pool and is located on the 3rd floor by the Convention Center. The Cherokee Tower has its own check-in, a self-check-in, and also a Starbucks. Again, lots of seating, and there is also a bar down here by the check-in. Beautiful tower and very modern. Notice the plugs right underneath the bar? I do. I notice everything. There is another celebrity chef in town. Let's go check out Guy Fieri's restaurant, which is located off of the Cherokee's Hotel's lobby. It is open for dinner every night and brunch on the weekends. We did not get a chance to eat here. Next time. There'll definitely be next time. We love this resort. We hope you enjoyed this tour and found it helpful. If you have any questions for us, let us know in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. It has been a pleasure hanging out with you. I'll leave some playlists here for you to enjoy if you want to see more videos like this one. Make sure you book that trip. Pack your bags and go. Be kind to yourself and others. Safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.